The Media Plus team, during its sting operation on the illegal occupancy of government property by unknown persons, had made a crackdown at the Barrack Point transformer station, where it was discovered that a person identified as Prem Kumar had made the place his residence. When asked about how he was able to occupy the premises, the daily wage labourer informed that some casual staff working at the transformer station had given him the permission to do so. While entering the two rooms at the station, the Media Plus team witnessed not only the dilapidated condition of the rooms, but more so the dirt that was piled all over the floor of the two rooms. Immediately, the case was informed to Sub-Inspector of Police Krishna Singh of the Sardar Police Station, who promptly arrived with his team at the scene of the crackdown. On being asked about his job, Prem Kumar said that he was orphaned years ago and also informed that on a daily basis he has been engaging in whatever work was available to him around Shillong city. The Media Plus team, out of compassion, had fed Prem Kumar a meal for the night and also handed him a blanket and water.
नहीं, हमको तो बोला सिर्फ इधर में जाके रहो, इधर में फुटपाथ में, उधर में बारिश में ऐसा कैसे सोता है इधर बस स्टॉप में। नहीं, इधर रास्ता तो नहीं है, हमको बोला सिर्फ जाके बैठो थोड़ा दिन जब तक काम नहीं मिलेगा। हम तो दुकान में कहाँ से मांग के खाता है खाना। मैं नौकरी नहीं, अभी लॉकडाउन में कोई देते नहीं काम।